Well, here we are, week 6, and I hope you all are doing well. This week, we're going to start the next training in Florida Ready to Work, which is the soft skills course. And the soft skills course is divided up into 4 different topics. It is communicating effectively, conveying professionalism, promoting teamwork and collaboration, and thinking critically and solving problems. So there's 4 different sections within this course. These sections aren't quite as extensive as the ones that you had in the other course. They each have a pre-test and the course and a post-test. So you will take the pre-test, and the pre-test sort of shows you where you're going to be put out into the course. You need to take the post-test after you finish the course. That's important. And so for this week, what I want you to do is finish communicating effectively and conveying professionalism. Those 2. There are several of you that are behind, and you need to get caught up with what you're doing. There's only 4 more weeks of school, and essentially, if you need a target date to get through with all of it, that's the 22nd of May. You need to try to get your all your stuff done by the 22nd. I've put grades in up to the information. I didn't do the reading for information, but I did the information one, the first 2 sections of the Ready to Work. So those 2 grades are in. You might be asking me how I'm doing the grading when there is multiple opportunities to have a variety of different grades depending on where you start the course and also your pretest. What I'm doing is I'm seeing that you finish the course, and I'm not putting the grades you necessarily got on the final test of the course, but if you finish the course all the way through with the post-test, you get 100. If you're somewhere in the course, you get a lesser grade, and you don't get a grade unless you're working in the course. So anyway, that's sort of what I'm doing, and those first 2 are graded. They're not necessarily the final grades you can get on that. If you are in the middle of it and going to complete it later, I will certainly take a look and see where you're at with each one. But the bottom line is you need to get yourself working on your courses, and each of you are in a different place, so that also makes it a little bit interesting. But you need to get through. Just to remind you, by the end of last week, you were supposed to be finished with Florida Ready to Work. That means the 3 different courses that had 7 and 6 modules in it. You're supposed to have that done last week. So anyway, I hope you're doing well. Have a problem, contact me through email or Google Hangouts. Most of you who have done that understand that I'm there, and I will respond, maybe not immediately, but pretty shortly. I don't spend a lot of time. If you send an email and then close up your email, that's not a good thing, because I will respond to what you're doing. So anyway, hope you're doing well, and have a great week.